of the ingredients which you will require to make. Some more I will introduce you later. Here I have around half cup of cheese, processed cheese or mozzarella cheese, anyone preferred. Half cup of corn crushed. If using canned, do refresh it. I am using fresh one, so I have boiled it first and then crushed it. Here I have breadcrumbs, corn flour, some mixed spices, peppers, garam masala and chaat masala, salt, red chili powder and cumin powder. So let's start. So in a mixing bowl, I'm going to add half cup of corn, crushed corn. Add it to a blender for just once. And now the cheese. This was actually a grated cheese. When I kept it in the freezer, this became like this. So I need to mix it really hard. So after this, all the three ingredients, salt, pepper and cumin powder. It is up to you what spices do you want to have. So now some coriander, a teaspoon of it. And now some breadcrumbs. I will add about 3 teaspoons. You may also substitute breadcrumbs with plain flour. 2 teaspoons of it at first, and about a teaspoon of corn flour. Mix them really well. So after mixing this, I think I need to add some more bread crumbs. 1 teaspoon of breadcrumbs and some more flour to it. Around half teaspoon of corn flour, and mix them really well. Kept some oil over there to heat up for deep frying, and now we are going to prepare the balls out of it. Take a small part, press in your hands. Now rub it between your palms. And a smooth ball is ready. Like this, I'll prepare all my balls. So I have made the balls. This much dough will make around 15 to 20 balls. I have made only 7. The oil is hot now, medium high heat. So now I am going to drop them into oil. So you can see they are frying now. In medium hot oil, they will take around 5 to 7 minutes to fry. Do not touch them, they are very delicate now. They may break. So the oil was hot enough that it could fry in only 2 minutes. They have become golden now. Time to remove them. Make sure that they are evenly cooked from inside also. When you are adding all-purpose flour, that is maida, be extra careful because the raw flavor of all-purpose flour is really bad. Now in a lined bowl, add this. Serve them with any dip. And you may also add double the quantity of cheese from the corn. That is around from 1 cup of corn. You may also add 2 cups of cheese, but same quantity works perfect. Serve them hot. With I am serving them with sweet chili dip. You may serve with anything. They are looking very gorgeous.